Hey guys, it's Mrs. Bryant. Welcome back to Flip Video. Before you start tonight's video, I need you to hit pause and get out the sheet that I gave you in class today. And once you are ready, you may hit play and we can begin. If you'll remember from today, the big thing that we learned was that all interior angles of a triangle equal 180 degrees. And we're going to need to remember that when we're working on the sum of these triangles. Now, you'll notice in example 1, we do not have any degrees here. All we have are variables being multiplied by a constant. But we know that if we add angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it has to equal 180 degrees. So angle A equals 3x plus 5x plus 2x equals 180 degrees. Now, combine like terms, just like the beginning of the year, and we're going to get 10x equals 180. In order to solve for x, we are going to divide by 10. So x equals 18. Now, does that answer our question? Is each angle going to be 18 degrees, or is there another step we have to do? Well, if you did 18 plus 18 plus 18, you're going to get 54. And 54 is not equal to 180. So there is another step we need to do. And to do that, you are going to multiply your constant by your x. All we did was solve for x. But we know that angle A is 3 times x. So angle A equals 3 times 18, which equals 54. Angle B is 5 times 18, which equals 90 degrees. If you can't do this in your head, you are using your calculator. Angle C equals 2 times 18, and that equals 36. Now, to check our answers, we are going to check, and to do that, we're going to do 54 plus 90 plus 36, and if you did that with your calculator, you're going to get 180 degrees. So we know that this is our answers. All right, let's go to example 2. We're going to work it exactly the same way. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. So now we just substitute in what our angles are going to be. So angle A is 11x plus B is 3x plus 5, and then C is 3x plus 5. You know that this and this are going to be the same answer because this is an isosceles triangle, and you know that because these are the same thing. So now combine like terms. Underline all your x's and combine them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17x plus 10 equals 180. We need to get x by itself or isolate x. To do that, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. So I have 17x equals 170. Divide by 17, divide by 17, x is going to equal to 10. Now, just like example 1, that is not the answer to all of our angles. We have to substitute in 10 in wherever x is. So angle A is equal to 11 times 10, and that equals 110. Angle B is 3 times 10 plus 5, so that's going to equal 35. And angle C equals 3 times 10 plus 5, and that equals 35. Now, we want to check our answer. So 110 plus 35 plus 35. If you do the math, you will get 180. So we know that these are the answers to our angles. Make sure you're pressing pause if you need to slow down and process what we're doing. All right, example 3. We want to know what each angle is. So again, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. Angle A is going to be 8x plus 11 plus angle B is 3x plus 8 plus angle C, which is 2x plus 5, equals 180. Now, underline all your x's so you can combine them. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13x. Circle your constants. 19 and 24, so plus 24, equals 180. We want to isolate x, so we have 13x equals 156. And we're going to divide that by 13. And I don't have my calculator, so I'm going to do it over here. 156 divided by 13 is 12. X equals 12. Now, does that mean I'm done? The answer is no. I know I need to substitute 12 in wherever x is. So angle A is 8 times 12 plus 11. 8 times 12 is 96 plus 11 would equal 107. Angle B is 3 times 12 plus 8, so 36 plus 8 is 44. And angle C is 2 times 12 plus 5, so that equals 29. Now, we want to check our work. 107 plus 29 plus 44. 13 and 7 is 20. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you get 180. So we know that these are our angle measurements. Okay, you are going to do, and example 4 is going to be your video survey. Complete this and put the answers on Google Doc. If you have any questions, make sure you email or text message me or call me. I do not work at HEB tonight, so I am available. And if there's no questions, I will see you in class tomorrow. Have a good night.